Richard Radke here with multiple income funnel and the proof of all the things that you get with it if you get started. So let me get started showing you them. First of all, if you go into here, you see all the links you get with it. A link is attached to a capture page. I don't know, and there's lots of them. You can use one or as many as you want. I use more than one because it depends where I send them to. Different places use different capture pages. And if you go back into the system again, you can see all the training you get that's included with the system. First of all, you get your weekly training, and then you get your marketing system training, which is really a great, I mean, look at all the training you get that's included with this system. I mean, you don't have to do this all in one day. You can watch as many as you like, whatever you get time, watch a couple more, keep learning. Then you go back into the system again, and then you see your 7-step training. This is the training you should do before you get going with it. First of all, it says work on you, which means work on your personality. Then you go to step 2, which shows you how and where to get traffic. Then you go to lesson 3, which shows you how to do your follow-up. Then you go to lesson 4, which shows you how to do YouTube advertising. Then you go to lesson 5, which shows you how to do Facebook advertising. And then lesson 6 shows you how to block some time to do this, which doesn't require much time, but it's still, you got to set it aside. And then number 7, there's some more bonuses in there that you can take a look at once you're in there. Then you go back into the system again. And then if you look here, it sees you all the teams you got on your, and if you go to the leads, once you start advertising, it shows you all the leads you get. I mean, just look at all the leads. So it just shows you the interest people have in this system. And you get an email with each lead, so be sure to follow up, because most people will not join on the first time they see something. They want to see it again. And they want more information. So give them some more information, answer their questions. The company follows up too, but they do want to hear from you. Then there's a leaderboard. It shows you all the people that are on the leaderboard. Then you got a resources, which is basically a sample of follow-up emails. You can use these or use your own, whatever you think. But be sure and follow up, because they do want to hear from you. Otherwise, if you don't follow up, they probably aren't going to join. So it's definitely worthwhile doing. And then you go into, and if you go into there, it shows you all the businesses you've got. And then you got a bonus business or income stream, which I'll show you towards the end if I don't forget again. Okay, now let's say I showed you all those things. Now you want to know a little more about them. First of all, if you go in here, no, that's the wrong, sorry. First of all, if you go in here, it shows you the first part. This is the part that Matt shows you the video of everything about this company. And let's say that you want to get started with it. Well, usually it's $97. Right now they got a special on for $49. And if you get somebody in under that, you make $20. But they also have a yearly plan, which is the plan I chose, because you don't have to worry about it for a whole year. And it costs you $350. But if you get somebody under that, you make a $200 commission. So that, and you do save money by going on the annual plan, yearly plan. Then you have step 2 and step 3. You can put your own opportunities in. And if you don't have any, you can use the ones I'm using. They're both under $10 each, and they're both very good opportunities. Then you have step 4, which is basically traffic authority, where you can get traffic from. They've been in business for over 10 years, so they have very good traffic, good leads, I should say. And I forgot to tell you about step 1, the proof. They've been in business for over 4 years. So and I showed you how many people are interested in this opportunity. So there's proof there that this is a legit company. Okay, now let's say that I told you all that. Maybe you're ready to get. Now I told you how to get started. And then I'm also going to put my contact information underneath the video. And And oh, I forgot to tell you, and a link to watch Matt do the video, and the same link you can join this opportunity. So don't hesitate to join. And also, I'm going to put my contact information under the video. And be sure and give my video a like and subscribe to my channel. And we're having great weather. I hope you guys are too. So I think that's all I'm going to tell you today. I always keep thinking, well, maybe I missed something, but I don't. Yeah, I did miss something. I forgot to tell you about the bonus income. See, this is another way I get leads. For $1 a day, I get 100 leads, and then at the end of the month, they have 3,000 leads. And if I get somebody in under that, I get another 100 leads a day. So then at the end of the month, they could have 6,000 leads, and you also make a commission with that. And this system also allows you to email the people every day. That's all included in this system. So, I mean, that is a fantastic price. Definitely worthwhile getting that. Okay, now this time I think I'm gonna say this is all I'm doing. So I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye for now.